already cooked our viand for lunch together with dinner. This is organic turnips, tubers with the leaves, and I add also some potatoes, organic potatoes also. Also garlic, onions, tomatoes, organics. Alhamdulillah for all the foods. Check natin ang aking pomegranate bread. Ayan. Ayan, almost cooked na or bake ang aking pomegranate bread. Ayan. Slice natin. Na-slice ko na itong isa. Ayan. First, we boil here and we put some lentils like fenugreek seeds, cumin seeds, black pepper, and we put also turmeric powder. So this soup, we can drink this soup especially this winter. And after this chicken becomes soft, then we make masala. We have to saute garlic, onions, tomatoes, and put some masalas. Then we have to put this soft native chicken. So for a while, we are cooking here in chimney using this wood. Our dinner is ready. This is a native chicken curry with basmati rice. Alhamdulillah for our foods today until tomorrow lunch. Ayan. Frying milkfish or bangus. Second batch. Ito yung first batch. Ayan. Ayan, luto na ang aking sinabawang isda or sinigang na isda with vegetables. Ayan, may pichay, may carrots, may labanos, may sibuyas, kamatis, bawang, luya, lemongrass, pichay. Ayan. So, ready to eat na. At ako'y gutom na. Sarap humigop ng sabaw sa malamig na panahon. Umuulan. Ngayon ay November 30, last day of autumn season. Already cooked fish curry. So, ready na ang aming ulam for dinner. Ayan. 5 pieces lang ito kasi meron naman akong ano yun, yung sinigang o kaya fish soup. So, tama na yun sa akin with rice. Ayan. After 1 hour, I remove from the fridge. Now, so we have to transfer this one. We have to remove. We have to put here. So, ito i-slice natin. Ayan. Now, we'll open. I'll put now also this little Australian fish or bataw. Parda in Ilocano. I don't know what they call here in Pakistan in Urdu. Because I have only this kind of Australian fish in my village. So I'm the only one who want this kind of vegetable. Now we can put now this boiled, half-cooked boiled cauliflower. And then sauce must be you put also like this. And little bit spring onions and coriander leaves. So it's already cooked my new recipe today. Cauliflower, boiled cauliflower, Australian peas with beetroots. Just I saute garlic, onion, tomato, then put salt and tomato paste. Now we'll check this carrot cake, 1 tray. So this is already cooked, and then we will bake another in this muffin tray. We'll put here, and then we will put this one. Then we have to cover again. So I already sliced it, and this one I will give to our neighbor, and this one, this is for us. So this is good for breakfast tomorrow, because time check now in Pakistan is 9:10 p.m. So ito na yung result ng aking carrot cake. Very successful ang pagkagawa. Ayan. Oh. And tinikman ko konti. Katamtaman lang yung sugar. Hindi masyado matamis, not too much sweet and not too much it's okay. Sugar is okay because I don't like too much sweet. So ayan. Ayan, luto na itong aming ulam for dinner. And then until tomorrow lunch. Ayan. Yung gravy niya, tama na itong gravy niya. So, ayan, na-change side ko na. Ito na yung French toast slices of bananas. Ayan, slice natin. Ayan. Ayan na. So, meron ng pang breakfast at pang snack o kaya merienda. Ayan. So, ito lahat yung aking nagawa. After half hour, ipa-fry ko na ito sa sa deep oil, maraming oil. Ayan. Ito yung aking nagawa. Iwan ko ilang pieces ito lahat. Ito, ready na ito na ilagay ko sa karton. Tapos, lagyan ko ng address. Ito yung sender. Tapos, dito ko ilagay. Ayan, may sugar na din ito na grind sugar.